Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. In which MMD you can apply for ETO COC exams and which is the best MMD? Well, by Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kandla, Kochi, Noida, these are the 6 MMDs where you can apply. But which is the best MMD? Definitely, bhai, if you are staying in Dehradun and there is a MMD in Dehradun, it is the best MMD for you. Sorry, it is not. You have to see how good is the passing percentage over here. If the passing percentage is good, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di, you have to apply. But if the passing percentage is good in Uganda, then you go to Uganda and apply over there. Because chances of clearing exams are very good out there. As you know that clearing COC orals requires luck, lots of hard work, adaptability to speak well, and it is not easy. Second thing is, if you fail once, you have lost 2 months and your 2 months salary is around say $10,000, you have lost 8 lakh rupees. So this is an important calculation that should always trigger your mind कि मुझे fast निकालना है. So don't think, suppose you come to know that Mumbai is easy, relatively easy. Then even if you are from Dehradun, travel to Mumbai for ETO exam because you have to give just one oral and clear it. But only if the passing percentage is good. So the thing most important, you have to find out from various telegram groups where the passing percentage is good. Now out here, this gentleman who has made this PPT, I am representing on his behalf, I cannot share his name. All returns, he said, for which I agree, that all are same. For returns, which MMD is best, all are same. Exam papers are same throughout. But for orals, this gentleman said, and I do not completely agree because I do not endorse, I do not know. But yes, this is a good example to have. So example is, he says, most candidates go to Chennai and Kolkata MMD as fewer surveys are there. So less variety of questions will be asked. But in Mumbai, nearly 10 to 15 surveys are there. So more variety of questions will be asked there. Now again, is it important that more variety of questions are asked, or is it important that Mumbai mein how many people are passing? Is it fast or is it slow? So ये थोड़ा सा database, you have to work on this and then you have to apply to that particular MMD. I am from Dehradun. If I come to know that Kochi mein selection ratio is good, I will go to Kochi, but I'll make sure that I come back faster as well. With this, all I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. If you are already a ETO, go for this ETO officer access package. It is basic electrical package, advanced electrical package, automation package, ME engine basic package, maneuvering package, hydraulic package, achiever and combo package to help you on respectonship. If you are going for a ETO exams, go for this ETO COC excellence package. It will definitely help you clear your ETO exam faster, and also it will help you become a part of a community where you can discuss your questions and you can move ahead in life. Last but not the least, if you want to check your eligibility, go to our eligibility calculator on merchantnavy.in website. Check, go to calculators, go to MEO class eligibility, go to ETO, fill your details, check whether you are eligibility or not. Second thing is, go to this free course, the link is in the description box as well as in the comment section, and get all the details about the ETO COC exams, assessment, checklist, online exams, how much is the fees, what is the procedure, everything is there. Copy it, guys. Last but not the least, if you're interested, go ahead. If you trust us, go ahead with this ETO COC excellence package. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.